Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a new password or change your password in Zedge. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now we simply want to change the password. For that, what we need to do is go to account settings. Right here on the top in the navbar, you will see a profile-like icon. Right next to notifications, simply click on it. Then this will open up from the side. Well, right here's account notifications. Do note that here's a profile page, statistics and others. But we need to go to account settings right now. Once you're in the account settings page, something like this will open up. Right here on the left hand side, you will see many tabs like account settings, NFT wallet, email address and change password. We simply need to click on the change password tab. It's gonna open up something like this. It's gonna ask you to enter your current password and your new password. Let's simply enter it right now. Well, as you can see, I have entered my current password and the new password. After everything's okay, let's simply hit on change password right here. And guys, that's it. The password has been updated. Changing a password is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.